The paper boat. On a cloudy afternoon, little Hamza folded a paper boat and set it afloat in the rainwater rushing down the street. He whispered, "Carry my wish far away." His wish was simple. For his father, who worked abroad, to come home. Days turned into weeks. One evening, Hamza found a package at the door. Inside was a toy boat, wooden, carefully carved, with a note, "I saw your paper boat. I'm home now, Captain." Tears filled Hamza's eyes as he turned around to see his father smiling at the door. The paper boat had carried his wish, after all.